Hello, welcome to our new video on our YouTube channel. Are you subscribed already? And remember to do like if you like what we are talking about and the bell notification.
Yep.
Oh, you can do it now before getting the information. Let's do that. What we're going to do?
So we are going to be talking again about one type of the embrace, things to avoid during the embrace. In this case, it's for the leaders, yes, and also tips for the follower and how to receive that. So when we are doing this, as you saw before, the thing is not to try to control her and push her down. Yes, we as a leader, and I will quote Gabito. He said, in order to be a king, you have to have a queen in your arms. Yes, so it's very true. So if we want to look good, she has to look 10 times better than us. And for us, we have to keep her elegant. So if we do this because we want to show that tango is macho and tango is for the leader, and we do this and you are down there, you're on the wrong game. Yes.
And sometimes it's for that reason.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's for other reasons that maybe they don't notice, nobody told them ever not to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. So you know that. So already here, when we are here, I try, and I will give you a tip, always with my rib cage, I'm trying to get a little bit under her. So when I grow taller and expand my rib cage, will also expand her torso. For example, let's say she's collapsing right now.
Okay,
So
this is not good.
This is not good. But if I do this and I grow taller from my rib cage, correct my posture and her posture. Yes?
It's like body language.
Body
Without
language.
talking, because at the milongas, it's not good to talk to the partners.
Yes.
This is a way to tell her, hey, lift.
Yes. So the other thing, we are talking about this arm right now. And we personally like to put it between both of us. And if you see it from this side, I try to do it a little more open than 90 degrees. Not too close, because you're going to be pushing her. Not too apart, because it looks like you don't care. And she will be tipping. Yes.
She's doing that.
So there are cases that people will put it a little more towards the leader, which is totally fine. I personally prefer to have it between both of us. It gives us better connection. Yes? So, for example, I will do just one step. Even if I'm rotating her, I try to keep it between both of us. I never bring it too much towards me. Yes? So...
Yeah. Yeah, also, that was a good example. This is the middle of both.
Mm-hmm.
If he goes too much back, I feel...
Tipping.
Then I'll be heavy on him. And then you're going to blame on the follower. So if you're too much back, she will be heavy. If you are too much to the front, she will be also you're pushing her away. So not very welcome.
And you're going to be complaining that she's rushing. She's like...
She goes like here, because she feels that and then she pulls.
Yeah.
So the embrace is a very fine line.
Yes.
For the right embrace. That's why we are doing a lot of videos on that.
Yeah.
Trying to improve the embrace, because from the embrace, we get good position, good access to later do it during the figures.
Yes, and always adjust to your partner. And the milonga, we rotate, we change partners a lot. So be able to adjust. Don't impose your own style and you have to follow. So it's a sharing moment at the dance floor. Yep.
Yeah, a good dancer, follower or leader is adjusting to the partner. You can have your own personality always, but you can impose your own style, because the beauty of this is to share, as Leonardo is mentioning that. So if you can adjust, I mean, it's a dream. It's a dream, because you will dance different styles in one night.
Absolutely. So thank you very much for being again with us, for choosing our videos to learn tango, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye, dance a lot. See you.